Welcome to my shop. It's called You Break 'em, I Fix 'em. I've got all kinds of vehicles waiting for all these repair work today. Might not get to it today. They've been sleeping in their cars for a couple of days. This guy here, he's been waiting 2 days, but he's got a lot of problems going on here. I see part of the hose there, a little bit broken, but I got a little replacement here. And that's gonna do just perfectly fine. And let's see, we got a look in here. Oh my God, look at that. Too many critters are coming in here. Whoa, that must have been a squirrel. And there's a nest in here. Whoa, with an egg. Oh my gosh, what kind of egg is that? That's a crazy bird, I'll tell you. My goodness. All right, let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I knew it. That fan belt's a bit loose. You see that? See how loose that is? I gotta tighten that one up. It's a little bit tightening up. Oh, that's gonna work now. He's gonna be really happy with me, I'll tell you. Let's see what we got going on here. I see it needs another spark plug maybe. Nope. There's already 6 in there, so I guess we don't need that one. That'll not work. Battery's next in line. All right, battery, how you doing? Tested, not working. But you know what? We're a little bit low on supplies, but I think these ones will work. We'll just lay them right on there. It'll be all set now, that's for sure. Okay. Let's see. What else have we got working? Oil. Yeah, I tested the oil. I need some more oil. A little bit low on supplies, but I found this in the garage. Grout tile sealer. I think that'll work. We'll put that one in. Yeah. We got this trap here I'm going to put in there, so just no more squirrels, no more mice. That'll work. They'll like me for that, for sure. Last but not least, I've got to test the tires. All I have to do is put this on here, over at the tires. You hear that? Get the testing for the tire. He's going to be all set to go. All right. Let's wake this guy up. He's been here 2 days. Mr. Jamie, wake up. The car's all set.